In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's Clear and Keep transformation feature. Let's create a UV sphere. If you don't have this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. With the curve selected, let's Shift-select the sphere, and Ctrl-P to parent it. If I scale the sphere, the curve will scale as well. Then what if we unparent the curve? We lose the Z scale transform details. Let's clear and keep transformation. This is how we use the clear and keep transformation. You might be wondering, why don't we just scale the curve on the Z axis after deleting the sphere? That's because this was only an example, and this feature will come in handy when we're dealing with complex meshes in the future. I'll create a simple render scene by using this curve object. I'll create a plane, add new materials, and render the scene. Let's just use the glass material with the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.